The 2025 Lexus ES is accessible with various motor choices and trend-setting innovations, joining extravagance and execution. Point-by-point particulars are as per the following. Motor and execution: ES 250 AWD, fueled by a 2.5-liter four-chamber motor, delivering 203 pull and 184 pound-feet of force. Efficiency is appraised at 24 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon interstate. ES 350, fueled by a 3.5-liter V6 motor, delivering 302 pull and 267 pound-feet of force. Efficiency is appraised at 22 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon interstate. ES 300 hours, mixture model, joining a 2.5-liter four-chamber motor and an electric engine to deliver 215 pull. Mileage is evaluated at 43 miles per gallon city and 44 miles per gallon roadway. Drivetrain and transmission: ES 250 AWD, accompanies all-wheel drive AWD and an 8-speed programmed transmission. ES 350 accompanies front-wheel drive FWD and an 8-speed programmed transmission. ES 300 hours accompanies front-wheel drive FWD and an electronic constantly factored transmission ECVT. Aspects and weight length: 195.9 inches. Width: 73.4 inches. Level: 56.9 inches. Wheelbase: 113 inches. Controlled weight: 3,780 pounds for ES. 250 AWD. 3,690 pounds for ES 350. 3,780 pounds for ES 300H Wellbeing and Innovation Lexus Wellbeing System plus 2.5. Standard. And incorporates highlights, for example, path-keeping help, versatile journey control and programmed crisis slowing down. Mixed media framework, 8-inch or discretionary 12.3-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. Sound framework: standard 10-speaker Lexus Premium Sound Framework or discretionary 17-speaker Imprint, Levinson Premium Encompass Sound Framework available. Extraordinary releases: Dark Line. Exceptional release: accessible on the ES 350 F game. Dealing with model, it highlights extraordinary plan components. For example, obsidian wing mirrors, a dark back spoiler, and dark lower side panels. The 2025 Lexus ES is accessible in different trim levels and elements, joining extravagance and execution. Subtleties are as per the following. Trim levels and highlights: ES 250 AWD, controlled by a 2.5-liter four-chamber motor, delivering 203 torque. Comes standard with all-wheel drive AWD and an 8-speed programmed transmission. Key highlights incorporate an 8-inch touchscreen show and Lexus security system plus 2.5. ES 350, fueled by a 3.5-liter V6 motor, creating 302 horsepower. Comes standard with front-wheel drive FWD and a 8-speed programmed transmission. Key elements incorporate an 8-inch touchscreen show and Lexus security system plus 2.5. ES 300H, crossover model, consolidating a 2.5-liter four-chamber motor and an electric engine to create 215 horsepower. Furnished with a front-wheel drive framework FWD and an electronic constantly factored transmission ECVT. Extravagance and solace bundles. Extravagance: the inside is upgraded with a 14-way power customizable driver's seat, semi-aniline calfskin seats, and wood ornamental components. Ultra extravagance: extra elements, for example, a 12.3-inch touchscreen, head-up show, and a power rear end with foot sensors. Game plan and F-game taken care of. Stand apart with 19-inch dark completed wheels, a back spoiler, and a lively outside plan. The F-game taking care of model, moreover, includes a versatile variable suspension framework and execution situated markers. Unique version, dark line. Exceptional release, accessible on the ES350F game. Taking care of model and stands apart with extraordinary plan components. For example, obsidian side mirrors, a dark back spoiler, and dark lower side boards. Innovation and security Lexus. Point of interaction. The infotainment framework can be controlled by means of an